Hello everyone, my name is Tayaba Kutimbre and today I am discussing about the basic Linux command. It covers navigating the file system, managing file and viewing system information commands. Next is navigating file system pwd. First is pwd command. It print the current working directory. It print the path of the current working directory in which we are working in currently. Cd command is used to change the specified directory. Next is listing the files and directory. Listing and the files and directory, we use the ls command. Ls command is list a listing command which used in Linux is used to display the content of a directory. It provides information such as file name, directory, permission, size, and timestamp. It is one of the most frequently used command for the file system navigation and management. We can use an option like -l for long format, -a to show all files, -t to sort by time, -t sort by time, and -r recursive the sorting order, -i show files inode, -s show file size in a block, and so on. The file management and creating. The file management and creating, we use the mkdir. Mkdir is the command which used to create a directory. mkdir is a basic command which used to managing the file and creating and deleting or removing the file. The mkdir command in Linux is used to create new directory or folder in a file system. It allows user to organize files into separate directory for better management. It supports creating multiple directory, parent directory, and setting permissions at a creation of directory. rm command is used to remove files or directory. rm command is used to remove the file from the system. It uses -r for recursive, -f for forcefully. rm We can use rmdir for deleting the directory. The rmdir remove directory command in Linux is used to delete empty directory from the system. It only works for empty directory. It is a directory contain files or subdirectory. It cannot be removed using rmdir. Next is copying and moving file. The cp command. The cp command is used to copy a file or a directory. The cp command is the command in Linux which used to file and directory from one location to another. Is preserve the original file while creating a duplicate at the destinations. The command support various options for recursive copying, preserving the file attribute, and interactive mode. It's copy file or a directory. We can use the -i option with cp command for promote before overwriting or existing file. We can use -v copying only if the source file is newer than the destination file. -n do not overwrite an existing file. -v show detailed output of the copying process. -p preserve file attribute, and -r small r and capital R copying directory recursively, including all subdirectory and file. mv command. We use mv command in Linux move or rename the file directory. The mv command in Linux is used to move or rename files and directory. Unlike cp which copy file, unlike the cp which copy the files, but the mv command used to move file from one location to another and does not keep the original. It can also remain files and directory without changing their content. The mv command, we can use the various options with mv command. -i for promote before overwriting a file. -u move only if the source file is newer than the destination file. -n prevent overwriting of existing files. -v display detailed output of the move process, and -backup creates a backup of overwritten file. Next is viewing the file content. The cat command. We use cat command to display the file content. The cat command is used to display the content of the file. We can see the content of file using the cat command. Next is less command. The less command is also the command which used to display the content of the file. The speciality of the less command, we can see the files contained page by page. We use ls command to see the content by page. We can also use the numbers which specific we want to see the lines. Next is the uname. The uname command is used to display system information. The uname command is shows the information about the system. We can use options like -a for all and -r for kernel release. Example, uname-a show the kernel version. Next is df command. The df command is used to see the free space of the system, whatever we used and what is the free storage is present in our system. It display usage of all mountain file system. Example, df-h for human readable format. That's it. Thank you.